Joining on News Central now to review performance of equities in Nigeria is the Managing Director, Trust Bank Asset Management Limited, Aziz Lawal. Hello, Aziz. Thank you for joining me.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Good morning. Now, Aziz, what major event would you say shaped the performance of the equity market as of last week?
Okay, thank you. Two things. Significant movement in large cap tickers and anticipation of improved earnings. So significant movement, more importantly, was Airtel. The movement in Airtel last week, about 10%, supported the growth of the all share index, and also anticipation of improved earnings from companies. We're beginning to see investors position in companies that will likely pay dividend as a result, significant improvement in buy-side activities, thereby improving the performance of the markets. Thank you.
All right, Aziz, as per the performance of equity market, what would you say are your expectations for this week? And what investment insights do you have for our audience?
Yeah, we expect impressive results to continue to flow. We saw a few of them last week. This week, the summation of the results will be intense, so we expect more impressive results. Already, we have seen Fidelity Bank significant growth, over 80% in PBT. We have also seen MTN as well. So we expect that those improved performances to spur investors to begin to position. And in that regard, for now, Fidelity looks like a very good buy. Thank you.
Okay, that's a good one. Now, talking about fixed income market, what would you say we should look forward to in this week?
For fixed income market, last week was quite bullish. Typically, in the fixed income market, what shapes activities really is system liquidity. And last week, about 1 trillion flowed into the system last week. Compared to weekly average in the past few weeks of around 200 billion thereabout. Seeing in 1 week 1 trillion significantly supported the bulls in the fixed income market yesterday. So last week, across the curve last week, we saw significant buy-side activities and yields depressed week on week by over 10 basis points. So compared to what we saw last week, we expect activities to slow down this week. Yeah, thank you.
All right, Aziz, I can't let you go if we don't talk about this. Now, talking about the annual reports, we understand that some firms released their annual reports as of last week. Would you say this influenced the market?
Yes, definitely. Like I noted earlier, and it's also going to continue to sustain the performance of the market this week. Like I mentioned, that we have seen Fidelity. The result came over the weekend. Significant growth in PBT. We have also seen Presco, super performance. They almost tripled their PBT. We saw the same thing with MTN reporting a PBT of over 400 billion. So it's really going to be a bullish market this week. I would advise investors though that are interested in equities to talk to their brokers and specifically seek guidance around the shares of Fidelity and Presco. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much, Aziz Lawal. It's always a pleasure having you.
Thank you, Fabi. Thank you.